guys excited? First time?
Yep.
Alright, so where are you guys from?
She's from here, I'm from Georgia.
Oh, goodness.
Man, I just passed. It's like I was driving to
Connecticut, oh my God.
Right.
I've been there, driven there, from here. It's not fun.
Especially if you're just driving straight through.
About 26 hours?
Actually, no, it's actually for me when it took up, it was 23.
Not bad.
Go ahead, put your hand back.
Okay, was that worth it?
Yes.
Did you clean your shorts out now? I might have to.
Oh my God. Whoa, that's awesome. I wish I would like stay forward so I could see it. Oh, that's beautiful.
Feet out so it'll lean forward. There we go.
Whoa.
That's
Look at like
cool.
the lights out there. It's so beautiful. That was awesome.
Ready to go again?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
That was awesome.